Base hit center field. Here comes Ramirez. Here comes the throw to the plate. It's wide. Safe at second. Tie game.
Great read right here by Ramirez at second base. He's off right away, knows it's a base hit. Jackie Bradley's got a great arm. Comes in, throws a bullet to home. Chisenhall continues to hustle and gets to second base.
I think what they're contesting here, did Chisenhall slide through the bag, and did the tag stay on him? Did he come away from the bag at some point? They're going to check it.
Busy night so far for Jerry Davis and Chris Conroy and Kerwin Danley and Adrian Johnson in Chelsea, New York, in the replay center. They've already overturned one call on the field. That came in the top half of the first, when Brock Holt was called safe and then overturned and called out.
Well, I thought Chisenhall beat the throw. He came in like a cannonball.
He had a lot of speed coming in, but it looked like he came away from the bag.
His hand went over the bag, and at that point, his body wasn't touching the bag with the tag still on him.
I thought he beat it on live speed out here, but in slow motion, it looks like they almost even had the tag on him.
He beat the tag, but watch, did he stay on it?
Yep. He's out. He didn't stay on the bag, I don't think. There it is.
Boy, I don't know if there's enough to change that. I really don't. I understand what you're saying, that his body came off the bag and the tag stayed on him, but he beat the throw there. They might not change this. I know what you're saying, though, Cal.
Yeah, one angle shows that he did hold the tag on him, and then the other angle showed him off the base.
So another challenge and another call overturned.